Hi guys, if you want to see how I created this beautiful sugar sheet, stay tuned. So this new technique is taking the cake world by storm. I mean, it's all over Instagram and I wanted to bring you guys a tutorial so you could create it as well. I'm going to measure out 100 grams of granulated sugar. Then I'm going to use clear corn syrup. You can also use glucose. I just had corn syrup on hand. I measured out about 30 grams of Karo syrup. Well, it was about 32. I kind of went over, but you can experiment with how much Karo you use. I used about 2 drops of red food coloring. Now, a little goes a long way, so you don't need that much. I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of CMC powder in this just to make it more firm and less fragile. You can also use xylose powder if you like. I'm just going to make sure that the corn syrup coats every granule of sugar. It takes time. Just be patient. It's going to come together. Just continue to pull and push the mixture with your spatula so it's all mixed up. So this is roughly the consistency that you're looking for, guys. It's come together now, so I can pour it out onto my mat and begin to flatten it. Now you want to roll this as thin as you possibly can. And I used parchment paper initially because I saw it on another tutorial, but guys, it just was not working for me. The parchment paper kept moving and moving the mixture. So I just grabbed some vegetable oil and spray and sprayed it on my hands, and I sprayed it on my rolling pin and just went from there. I was able to roll it out pretty thin. Now that I'm happy with the thinness, I've grabbed some red sanding sugar and sprinkled it over the top. And I've applied light pressure to it just to press it into the sugar Karo mixture. Now I wanted to add some more pizzazz to the sugar sheet. So what I did was grabbed a bit of edible glitter. And I will link the glitter I used along with the brush in the description box so you guys can go ahead and grab that. Now I just brushed the crap out of the sugar sheet with this edible glitter. I used a silver and I used a red because you can never have too much bling, baby. Now you need to let this dry at least 6 hours. I let mine dry overnight just so it's not as sticky and it's easier to handle. There you have it, a beautiful blingy sugar sheet to wrap your cake in. I just love the way this turned out. I am all in with this new trend. Look how it folds. I mean, it's so flexible, guys. You can wrap it, you can use cutouts, you can do whatever you want with this thing. If you are going to try this new cake trend, please drop down in the comments and let me know how it turns out. I would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and click the like button. If you're also a cake lover like me, you are welcome to follow along my cake journey by clicking the subscribe button too. Thank you again for tuning in. Have a great day and stay sweet.